SpongeBob, let's get down to business. My first official act as new manager is to give you a promotion.
Oh!
You get to run the cash register.
The cash register. Wow! Squidward, who's gonna run the grill?
You are. It's part of the promotion I mentioned earlier. You'll be wearing 2 hats now. You're gonna take the orders, then you're gonna make them.
Oh, this is the best day of my life.
Me too.
But wait, if I'm running the register and the grill, what are you gonna do?
I've got some very important boss-like errands to run. See you later.
Squidward!
Hey, what is it?
You forgot to teach me how to use the cash register.
You push the button and put the money inside. Okay, you're on your own.
I can't believe this is happening. Today?